welcome to our channel. If you are from Hyderabad and you would like to prepare for IAS examination, so today in this video we will be talking about best IAS coaching institutes in Hyderabad. So be with us, do subscribe this channel, hit the notification button. At the report given by our education, I will be mentioning you the link in the description box which will help you out in reaching this report created by our education. Why I have taken our education report in research of best IS coaching in Hyderabad? Because our education is the trusted brand which offers complete information on the IS coaching institute across pan India basis. So guys, can you see that what is the graphical representation of the ranking given by our education? You get to know with this graphical representation itself the ranking for top IS coaching in Hyderabad for the year 2020. Guys, rank 1 IS coaching institute has become IS Coaching Institute in Hyderabad. Rank 2 IS Coaching Institute in Hyderabad is Analog IS Academy. Rank 3 IS Coaching Institute in Hyderabad is Braintree IS Academy. Rank 4 IS Coaching Institute RC Reddy. Rank 5 Coaching is the Hindu Zone IS Coaching Center in Hyderabad. So guys, let me give you a little bit review for the 5 IS coaching institute in Hyderabad that will help you in making the decision whether you should join this IS coaching for your IS preparation in Hyderabad or not. Are you able to see what is the examination pattern? In the UPSC exam, you have IS prelims, IS mains and IS interview. So all these three stages you have to prepare for all these three stages. So why I am saying this? Because whenever you choose the perfect IS coaching institute for yourself, you should see whether helping you out in preparing for all the three stages or not. When you ask the question or you query to the counselor of the coaching institute, then also ask for complete package. Because see, if you will be able to clear the IS prelims and you won't be able to clear the IS mains, you are actually fail in the IS exam. So it is important that you give more emphasis in complete IS examination training. And not to forget that you should also inquire about your optional IS subject. I am emphasizing it a lot over here because IS optional subject is important parameter which will help you in finalizing the right coaching institute for your IS exam. Friends, listen one thing. Not every coaching institute is offering the subject matter expert knowledge on optional IS classes. So the general IS coaching is given by mostly all of the institutes, but when it comes to optional IS classes where the students can have the edge, then this is not given by every coaching institute in Hyderabad. So in there are various parameters on the basis of which ranking to the top IS coaching in Hyderabad is being given. Rank 1 IS coaching in Hyderabad is Plutus IS Academy. Guys, Plutus IS Academy has become the number 1 IS institute for civil service examination training. Why people are liking Plutus IS Academy in Hyderabad a lot? The very simple reason is their IS faculties and the interactive live classes. Means the kind of the platform that Plutus IS Academy is having, providing IS classes, is not available with any IS coaching institute in complete India. Guys, know that in the time of COVID-19, the complete scenario has changed. Students cannot go to the coaching institutes, so they are left with the online classes. But guys, here is the trick. In the online classes also there are different ways, like the live online classes, interactive classes, video based classes. So you will be finding most of the UPSC coaching institutes are providing the classes, but sometimes it is the webinar based, it is the video based, but it is not the live interactive like classroom feeling based coaching. So Plutus IS Academy is offering that coaching, that type of coaching which is very much suitable for the students looking to do IS preparation. You can contact with Plutus IS on this number 844 844 0231. Let's see next IS coaching institute in Hyderabad, which is Analog IS Academy. Analog IS Academy is very renowned and famous UPSC coaching in Hyderabad. This UPSC coaching has given good number of selections. If you are from mathematics optional, you should definitely visit Analog IS Academy. Evening and morning batches are available with Analog IS Academy. Guys, please look at the address of Analog IS in Hyderabad. Optional fees structure is also given. Complete fees you can see on your computer screen. Guys, I will be providing the link in the description box of this report, so it will be very easy to finalize the right coaching for yourself on the basis of the ranking produced by our education. Third best IS coaching institute in Hyderabad is Braintree. Let's see, please look at your computer screen for the address. Yes, let's see which is the fourth IS coaching. This is the RC Reddy IS coaching. This is very old institute in Hyderabad. Mode of classes are all, guys, but I would say that RC Reddy or Braintree Coaching Institute, they are making use of old technologies of training. I mean, there are obsolete technologies now. Even for UPSC exam preparation, guys, it is very important that you you need to be very much comfortable with the technology based system. People are learning the thing with the taking good advantage of technology, and that's how they even able to grasp the thing for the longer time. So guys, RC Reddy and Braintree are those institute which has become very old and they are using obsolete technology. Fifth best IS coaching institute is the IS Mentor. Best coaching institute in Hyderabad is CSB IS Academy. Seventh best IS coaching in Hyderabad is IS Brains. Eighth best IS coaching in Hyderabad is KPIS Academy. Ninth best IS coaching in Hyderabad is KS Rao. 10th best IS coaching in Hyderabad is Wali Rameshwar Rangarai IS Academy. So guys, hope you like my video. I have told you about best IS coaching institute in Hyderabad which you should join for your IS preparation. In case you come across any doubt, please ask me in the comment section. One more important thing, please do subscribe this channel and hit the notification button. Please join the below Telegram link. Why I am focusing a lot to join the below Telegram link? Because in the link you will be getting the study material, friends. So thank you, keep in touch.